Yo, what's up? It's 𝐔𝐃𝐃𝐀, and in this video I'm going to show you some upgrades that I've made to my DIY cold plunge. And the reason why I made these upgrades are I just didn't know what I didn't know. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking about making your own cold plunge, then be sure to get these items before you actually make it. And I'll link everything up in the description for you so you can go check it out. But I made these adjustments to my cold plunge because I needed and wanted to keep it sanitary, and I didn't want to have to clean it all the time. So this is going to make your life a lot easier if you're looking to build a cold plunge. So keep watching, and I'm going to walk you through the steps that I took to sort of fix the problem that comes along with building your own cold plunge and the time that it takes to actually clean it. So if we come over here, you can see my unit. And if you haven't seen the other video, I will link that up in the description as well, so you can go check it out. And that will give you all the specs and all the things that I did to sort of make this work and make this happen. So in order to keep it clean, I've got two things going on right here. So this is a water ozonator. And what that does is it actually pumps ozonated air through this. Hold on, let me. It's this little hose right here, and it pumps ozonated O3 into the water, which actually cleans the water. It disinfects the water, so it kills any bacteria that might be there. And then we have this pump right here. This is a fish tank pump, and this will turn on at night, and it will move the water so that none of the water remains stagnant. And when the water isn't stagnant, no bacteria or the water doesn't get gross. So this is the way that I keep it clean. And I didn't know how much of a pain in the butt it is to keep this cold plunge clean if you don't have these two things. And it's literally like another $100, and you never have to spend any time cleaning it. Oh, look at that. There's just a nice chunk of ice right there. That's a big piece of ice. So those are two easy, really effective ways to keep your cold plunge clean. And I just want to shoot this really quick video because this has made my life a whole lot easier, and I know it's going to make your life easier as well. So go ahead, get your ozonator, get your water pump, make your cold plunge clean, make your life easy. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.